the algorithm, the one thing that prevents me from getting anywhere in my art career. I am like 90% sure that the algorithm hates me across the board. It's absolutely bananas, whether it be Instagram, whether it be Twitter, or whether it be some other social media outlet that will come out within the next decade. I'm pretty sure that the algorithm is going to shadow ban me for some reason, some way, somehow. And to be fair, it's probably not the algorithm, it's more than likely me and my laziness. Because one thing that people love to say to like appease the algorithm is consistency. And consistency, I can't speak. Consistency has sort of not been my strong point. Strangely enough, I'll post recently. I've been posting videos at least once a week, and I'm consistent on that aspect. But when it comes to posting art, I don't know. I just straight up forget, and that's my fault. It has nothing to do with the algorithm. But let's just say if you look at my Instagram account, and I've been keeping track, but I have not broken anything past 420 followers to 435. I have stayed around that ballpark for like over a year, and am I mad at it? Not really. I honestly don't care so much about follower counts or anything like that, or the amount of likes a post gets. I'm dense like that, I guess. Hence why I feel like social media has never gotten to me, I guess. Maybe that's a bad thing, considering I do want to make this a business, especially with my art. I even made a goddamn Twitch and a Patreon for some reason, just in the off chance that I may get big enough, so I'll use those outlets one day to enhance my art business. You know, we could dream. I'm dreaming, and I'm making a reality, one video at a time, one drawing at a time, and one recording at a time. It takes a lot, so I'm gonna do it. Which is why it's funny that I'm consistent in this YouTube thing and not like art, considering they sort of go hand in hand with each other. Who knows? And speaking of that, with follower counts, I always find it very funny and sweet too. It's very nice that there'll be some sweet altruistic person that'll be like, hey guys, I know the algorithm is treating you bad, I know it's being mean lately, so I'll use this post or Twitter thread to have the more smaller artists, plug their accounts and, get some like interactions, let's get some engagement. And I always look at that, I'm just like, wow, that is very sweet. And I usually don't act upon it because I don't know, I'm prideful like that, because I tend to brute force the algorithm, which is not the way to do it, guys. Do not do what I do. Sometimes you have to throw away pride. This occasion I actually went through with it and do it. They said like post your name, what you do, what type of art, the medium. I did all that, and even then the algorithm was like no, and I got no like nothing. Like it was radio noise. Like I'm not mad at it. Like I said, I really don't care for follower counts or like recognition. Like if I'm gonna get recognition, I'm gonna do it my way, and I may die on this hill, but you're damn right this hill is gonna be very big by the time I'm dead. It's just been a thing for me and the algorithm. We always give each other the side eye, like begrudgingly, but hey, I make it work somehow. And on the topic of that, like follower counts, like number of likes or anything like that, I have never been one to believe that was a way to quantify the quality of you or your channel. Like I said, I certainly don't care. Whether like there could be an artist that has amazing art and like have 10 followers, who knows. Usually there is a correlation with the quality of art and the number of followers, of course. It's definitely a correlation. It's definitely not causative, because if only you could be really good at art and still maybe not be successful with art. That's sort of the dickish thing with the art world or the art business. Like you could be talented, you could be amazing, you could be absolutely a god among men. And to be fair, if you are really as good as you say, you more than likely should like have a really good account. It's not always the case, but that's how the art business goes. And with my art channel, with my art YouTuber channel, if I could call it that, is this an art channel? Guys, I'm curious what you guys think. This is an art channel, right? Because I'm always conflicted. Like, this is our channel or is an anime manga channel? Like I hope like I could get like a sort of focus in what this channel may be or may become, because I don't know how I feel about calling myself a YouTube artist. It sounds appealing. I'm not gonna lie. It does sound very appealing. My intentions are to use YouTube as a conduit for my art, because I love art. Art is like, god damn it, art is like, I live for that. I've been drawing like since the beginning of like as far as I can remember. Like whenever I try to think back to a time where I was able to pick up a pencil, that's definitely the moment I decided that I want to start drawing. It's been like that literally since the beginning. So I definitely do believe that this is my career path, so to speak. It's a slow and arduous journey, but damn it, like I'm gonna get over this hill. And that's why I always like seeing fellow artists on YouTube, artists like rising. Like everyone knows the big name artists, and they're not bad, but god damn it, we need the new age. What am I saying anymore? Yeah, I just feel like it's definitely a slow, rocky ride at the beginning. And to anyone that's into art or wants to do an art YouTube channel or anything like that, I will say that the quality of your work, it matters. Well, it matters. You can't, draw scribbles, of course. I don't know, you could, what the hell was that noise? Anyway, yeah, you could draw scribbles and you could still get a lot of people to like your work. Just know that, as I said before, consistency is a thing. Like, if you post consistently and quality things consistently, the algorithm will just bend over and let you have its way with it. I swear. That's what it looked like for me, at least. Like, uploading maybe once a week or more than that, I definitely saw results. The algorithm had a bit of an attitude with me, but it decided, like, you earned some of it. I just need to keep it up, because I don't have burnout from social media. I have burnout from working. But I can't stop here. There's so much I need to do. And regardless of whatever my follower count is on Instagram or on Twitter, regardless of how many subscribers I get, regardless of how the algorithm likes to, gut punch me, like, I feel like, without a doubt, this is the journey. This is the road that I want to take, regardless. Because, god damn it, if I'm not in my life doing art, then what the hell am I doing? It's been something that I've always wanted to do. And the whole starving artist thing, I think that phrase has definitely died. Like, it has to die, because in the digital age, there's so much, like, places that you could apply your art to. Like I said, we have YouTube. Your YouTube could, like, support your Instagram, your Twitter, as auxiliary, like, means of spreading your social media presence. We have Patreon. We have Gumroad, where you can sell, like, individual lessons. We have Twitch, where you can stream and get donations. Basically, there's a lot of things going. We have TikTok now, and I'm gonna let you guys know, there is nothing in the world that's gonna have me download TikTok on my phone. Well, actually, I take it back. I have TikTok on my phone because it came with it. But there's nothing in the world that's gonna make me start using it religiously. I can't. I don't think TikTok is for me. I feel like it's just another distraction in the sea of social media outlets, which is sort of, counterintuitive, considering artists sort of need social media. Actually, I take it back. They don't need social media, but it's a big help. In fact, if you could get away with not using social media and become a big artist, you're amazing, because I don't know. I wasn't able to do it. I'm still not there yet, but what the hell was that? Okay, I'm gonna make that my cue, because it's about to be 10 minutes, and I think the recording is 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm sort of talking into the ether right now, but yeah. Thank you for watching. And I hope you were able to bear with my rambling and the amount of likes and ums and but yes that I said, because I need to try to get over that. Public speaking, go figure. YouTube actually is gonna help with that, honestly. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Look at my social medias. I don't know. Do something on my channel. I don't know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.